Okay, I am so sorry. I make a big mistake. So wait a minute. Okay. Hello everybody, my name is Eugenie and welcome on my channel. We are going to continue my diamond painting. We made this part yesterday, so now we are going to make this one for the 2nd of January. Oh, sorry. I record this video, but I clear it. I was so sad. So, I make a board with exactly the same case here. Oh, than the diamond painting, okay? If it's your birthday, the 10th of January, for example, tell me in the comments, and the 10th of January I will say, Happy birthday, Mrs. Smith, for example, or Mrs. Doe, and you can choose the 10th of February. I don't know if it's clear. I will show you. I put a blue cross here because we are make this case. Here will be the 20th of January, okay? And everything is clear. You can choose. So, for example, you are born the 10th of January. I will say happy birthday, Mrs. X, and Mrs. X, please choose the next for the 10th of February. For example, you can choose the 1-1, she's free. You can choose the 8, 12, or 11, it's free. But you can't choose the 8, 7. You understand? I think it's clear. I hope that. So we are going to make the diamond painting. Let's do it. Okay, so we are the second day of January, and I have a lot of things to do. But it's important for me to make my diamond painting. It's really a challenge for me to do that. Yes, it's very important for me. My name is Eugenie, as I tell to you. I am 37 years old, and I have 3 children. My son will be 15 the 10th of February. My first daughter will be 14 the 28th of January, and my little girl will be 7 the 12th of July. So I changed my color and I'm back. Okay, so we have a big family. We are 5, and I am so late to make my laundry. I don't know how to be clear with that. I have always closed to watch, and it's so tired. I don't know how to be clear. Okay, I changed my color and I'm back. Okay, yes, if you have some advice to be clear with the laundry, I am okay to have advice, please. Okay, it's okay. Look at this, it's so beautiful, it's so perfect. Look at this. I will make the link of the store on the description, because it's so perfect. What do you think about it? I think it's perfect, really. We are going to change the color, and we take the A. Okay, my daughter, my little girl, is here, and she said, Mommy, it looks like a cookie. Absolutely. Yes. But it's not a cookie, it's a 3. For me, it's a 3. Okay, for the A, we are going to make the W. Okay. Yeah, tell me if 10 minutes for you it's correct for... It's a perfect time for the video. I think it's correct, but I don't know, I'm not sure. As I told to you yesterday, I have not a lot of time to watch YouTube video, and 10 minutes is perfect for me. So it's okay for the W. I finished all the case and I'm back to you. Okay, it's finished. So as you can see, it's very different. You're right, my sweetie heart. T'as raison, ma chérie. It's really like a cookie. It looks like a cookie. Absolutely. So as you can see, it's very different from this one. This one we have some blues and blue. We have some blue and some maroon, and here we have a lot of orange and yellow, and it's why I love this diamond painting. So it's okay, it's finished. Please, if it's your birthday tomorrow, write it in the comments. Enjoy, have a nice day, and I see you tomorrow. Lot of kisses, bye bye.